Want a roof that's not just functional but innovative? At AC Inc. Roofing, we stay ahead of the curve by embracing the latest roofing technology. We've partnered with leading manufacturers like Atlas Roofing to bring you top-tier innovations, impact-resistant shingles, smog-reducing granules, and energy-efficient cool shingles. These are just a few examples of what we offer. By working closely with trusted suppliers, we're among the first to provide these cutting-edge materials to our clients. But that's not all. We're committed to keeping our team at the forefront of industry trends. We provide ongoing training to ensure that our crew is always up to speed on the best installation techniques and emerging technologies. Ready to experience the future of roofing? Let us bring the latest innovations to your home, making it stronger, greener, and more energy efficient.